how to enable or disable AirPods Pro, calls or audio on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on connections. Then tap on Bluetooth. After that, tap on AirPods Pro, tap on the settings icon. In here, you can tap on calls to turn it on, or you can turn on audios by tapping on the toggle button to switch it on. Now make sure that your AirPods Pro is open, the case is open, or put your earpods to your ear, and once it is active, you can then switch on or turn off calls or audio. So you can have one of them on, or you can have both of them on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.